Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Avoiding duplicate API requests, a comprehensive tutorial. Duplicate API requests are a common problem in software development, leading to wasted bandwidth, increased server load, and slower application performance. This tutorial will explore various strategies to prevent duplicate requests, focusing on the concept of caching and memoization, with illustrative code examples in Python. We will also briefly touch upon other approaches. Understanding the problem. Duplicate API requests arise when the same data is requested multiple times from an external API. This can happen due to concurrent requests. Multiple parts of your application or multiple users might concurrently request the same data. Race conditions. Multiple asynchronous operations might initiate requests before the result of a previous request is available. Redundant logic. Your application's logic might unintentionally make the same request repeatedly. Solutions: caching and memoization. The most effective way to avoid duplicate API requests is through caching and memoization. These techniques store the results of previous API calls, allowing you to retrieve the data directly from the cache if the same request is made again. 1. Simple caching with a dictionary, Python. This is a basic approach using a Python dictionary to store API responses. It's suitable for smaller applications or situations where complex caching mechanisms aren't needed. 2. Advanced caching with functools.lru_cache, Python. Python's functools.lru_cache decorator provides a more sophisticated caching mechanism. LRU stands for least recently used, meaning that the least recently accessed items are evicted from the cache when it's full. 3. Using a dedicated caching library, Python. For larger applications, consider using a dedicated caching library like Cache Tools or Redis. These offer more features like time to live, TTL, for cached items, persistence to disk, and distributed caching. Example with Cache Tools *. 4. Memoization with decorators, Python. Memoization is a specific form of caching applied to function calls. It caches the return values of a function based on its arguments. Other approaches: rate limiting. Implementing rate limiting on your API requests prevents excessive requests within a given time window, even if they are duplicates. API side caching. Some APIs offer built-in caching mechanisms. Check the API documentation for options. Deduplication queues. For very high volume scenarios, use a message queue, like RabbitMQ or Kafka, to deduplicate requests before they reach the API. Choosing the right approach. The best approach depends on the complexity of your application and the nature of your API interactions. For simple cases, a dictionary cache might suffice. For more complex needs, lru_cache or a dedicated caching library is recommended. Consider using rate limiting and API side caching where possible to complement your client-side caching strategy. For extremely high volume scenarios, a deduplication queue might be necessary. Always remember to handle potential errors, like network issues or API errors, gracefully.